Help rebuild your cesarean-born child's gut microbiome for enhanced immunity, metabolic health, and multiple intelligence function. Up to 80% of immune system is in your child's gut, where gut microbiome plays a vital role. It helps regulate your child's metabolic health, brain development, and behavior. Gut microbiome foundation starts at childbirth, when the child passes through the vaginal birth canal and acquires the natural probiotic transfer. In cesarean section delivery, the natural probiotic transfer is absent. Help rebuild your CS-born child's gut microbiome with HiPP Organic CS Combiotic Support formulation with Human Milk Probiotic. Paired with balanced meals, help support your child's healthy gut microbiome for enhanced immune system, metabolic health, and multiple intelligence function. A product by German baby food experts for more than 120 years.